Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Mga tipten, dapat gamot na ba?
Yan, okay. Tingin po dito. Closer po na kasi. Oo, yan. Tingin po sa cam. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay po.
Achieved high honors from first to fourth quarter. President and class monitor of grade 12 class. President of the English Club. Ikalawang Pangulo ng Kapisanan ng mga Mag-aaral sa Filipino. Public Information Officer of PLE Club. Chinese Secretary of the Supreme Secondary Learner Government. Majorette Leader. Member of the DPCSI Dance Troupe. Chinese Dancer. TPCSI Miss Alma Mater 2026. Troop A Leader in Girl Scouts. Enrolled in the Special Chinese class. Best narrator during the Book Week storytelling activity. Took an entrance examination at the Bicol University. Legazpi, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Took an entrance examination in the University of Santo Tomas de Legazpi. Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and co-authored a research study on the influence of the General Accounting Journal application on the financial management of store owners in the Tabaca City public market. Bueno Joven Kelly A. with high honors, Best in Filipino.
Ay, sana.
Segalame Asia C. with high honors.
Hindi na talaga tayo barangay kahit inang purong-puno. Talagang
Purok ano ka? Purok Santin 35. Purok 2.
Magi mo narinig.
Ikaw kuya, nagplastic ka na.
Mga tipten.
I was driving down the highway with no destination in mind. You were sleeping, lying sideways on your car seat reclined. You were smiling as the angels guided you from up above, and I couldn't help but wonder what you were dreaming of. When I told you that I loved you, well, I never would have guessed we'll find a way back.
Wala po.
I was driving down the highway with no destination in mind. You were sleeping lying sideways on your car's seat recline. You were smiling as the angels guided you from up above, and I couldn't help but wonder what you were dreaming of.
Oh, dali. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Tita.
Nag-play kami sa Dadaya.
When I told you that I loved you, well, I never would have guessed that you'd end up loving me too. You know the rest. In that morning, birds were chirping and the grass was wet with dew. There and then I saw the world from a different point of view.
Puno sila nagtuta.
A storm is raging right outside our door. No, I have never felt a love like this before. We have traveled far to Germany and Rome, but in the end I know we'll find a way back home. Yes, in the end I know we'll find a way back.